Okay guys, in the last video we have discussed the replace function and some their parameters. In this tutorial we will continue the previous lecture series on the replace function. In this video we will discuss some other parameters of replace function. It is replace part 2. Okay, so first we need to import pandas library as pd and upload and load a data set which we are given. So I have only in this tutorial I start with this because I start with the replace function with their parameter because I have already import the pandas library, as you can see. And as you can see here, uh, and we also load our data set. So how to load and this data set and how to import the pandas library, as you will you have to need to see my previous video in which we will discuss how to we have to discuss how to import the data set and how to load our data set and how to import the pandas library. Now continues to this tutorial. Now we will use the replace function. We use the replace function part 2. We will discuss replace function part 2, as you can see. So in this replace function we discussed about the reg function or regular expression. Okay, so first we need to call our data frame name as df dot replace, and then call simply. If you need to see which are the parameter, first you press the shift plus tab, and you can see all the parameters. We have discussed the to replace and values. Now we will discuss about the regress means regular expression. Okay, so uh, for this this regress function used to replace all. Suppose we need to replace all string value in a numerical format. So we pass here in the list, we pass here a to z, and in small a to z. Okay, and in this parent, in this inverted comma, and in which we replace, suppose we need to replace all the string value with 0. So we pass here separated by comma 0, and after 0 we write here reg function. So regex equal to assign the boolean value true. Okay, okay, now simply we pass here. Okay, we pass here true because the index with the method of regress function, if we assign true, it replace all the string value in a numeric format. Okay, so replaced by the 0 because we pass here 0. Okay, now we will run this program. Okay, good. You can see here in our data set the species or the species value are Virginica and Sentosa are in the string format, and when we apply the regress function, all species values are replaced by 0. Okay,